So we're really getting fancy with our stream setups now, huh? Let's get into overlays. Where do we find them, and how do we use them? An overlay is a fancy graphic that's, you guessed it, overlaid on top of your gameplay in webcam and OBS. There are two different practices for overlays. First is downloading packages and adding the images or video files to OBS and scaling them to the size of the display area around your camera. This is resource intensive and can cause issues with your stream playback if your computer can't run all of the processes properly. Alternatively, and in my opinion, the best method is to use browser source overlays because the files are hosted by another company and you insert the image via the internet to get access to the visuals. This means your computer has to put out almost no more effort to get these same awesome overlays on your stream. This is the method I'm going to focus on. If you really want me to show you how to do the install method, let me know and I can make a video for that as well. Now, where do we find overlays? It's a great question. We're going to be using Stream Elements. They have a large library of free overlays that you can pick from and use. No catch. Alternatively, if you do use Streamlabs and are a Prime member, you can use their entire array of overlays, but that is a paid service. And from what I'm seeing, it doesn't look like they have any free ones anymore, so Stream Elements it is. Now on Stream Elements, they have this massive library you can see as I keep scrolling down on it, but we're going to go ahead and roll to the top, check out the featured ones. Let's go ahead and snag this Halo-themed one because I'm a fan of the series, even though I am still waiting on the cooperative campaign for Halo Infinite. I need it, but we're not here to hear me grumble about that. Let's go ahead and copy the URL for that so we can go ahead and get our overlay set up. So we've got the overlay. Now we're going to head back to OBS. I'm going to show you exactly how to add this. In OBS, we're going to add a new source. We're going to pick browser source, and we're going to paste the link from the Halo overlay that we just found in the URL spot. Now we need to set the size of the screen, which is 1920 by 1080. You can see the webcam hole on the left. We're going to move our camera right inside there. And you can see there's a little box on the bottom right. That's actually for your in-stream chat. So whenever people are typing to you, it actually populates on the screen for them to see as well. With this set up now, all that's left to do is start a game and it'll be placed behind this overlay, allowing you to not only feel like you've got an awesome setup, but to look awesome while you're playing. If you found this video helpful, please click the thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share it with your friends who are looking to get into streaming and recording if you think this will be helpful for them as well. Happy gaming.